Nakatakdang bumisita si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa Vietnam sa Setyembre 28 hanggang 29. Ito'y para sa 2 araw na working visit. Inaasahan naman makatutulong ito upang mas mapalakas pa ng dalawang bansa ang kooperasyon sa larangan ng maritime security, defense, cultural, trade and investments. Sa press briefing ni Foreign Affairs spokesperson Charles Jose sa Palasyo ng Malacanang, sinabi nito na makikipagpulong ang Pangulo kay Vietnamese President Tran Dai Quang. Posible rin anya na mapag-usapan ng dalawang lider ang usapin sa South China Sea. Iginit ni Jose, mahalaga ang pagdalo ng Pangulo sa Vietnam dahil sa katulad ng Pilipinas, may claim rin ito sa South China Sea. Formal rin na may paabot ng Pilipinas sa Vietnam ang commitment nito bilang strategic partner. Inibagi rin ang pagdalo ng Pangulo sa Vietnam ang pagkikipagkita sa Filipino community doon. Nasa 3,000 at 800 mga Pilipino ang nakatira sa Vietnam at nagtatrabaho din doon.
As part of his introductory visits to close neighbors in the region, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte will conduct an official visit to Vietnam from the 28th to the 29th of September 2016. While in Hanoi, Vietnam's capital, the President is scheduled to meet with the State President Tran Dai Quang and pay a courtesy call on other top leaders of the Vietnamese government. Preparations have also been made for a meeting with the Filipino community in Vietnam who are expected to travel to Hanoi from various parts of the country. There are an estimated 3,800 Filipinos in Vietnam. It is expected that the President and the Vietnamese leaders will discuss various areas of bilateral exchanges, including maritime cooperation, enhancement of law enforcement and defense cooperation, increasing two-way trade and investments, strengthening of joint cultural activities, as well as heightened exchanges in agriculture and fisheries. The leaders are also expected to exchange views on regional and international issues. Relations between the two countries have been growing and deepening steadily since formal ties were established on July 12, 1976. This year marks the 40th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations. The President's visit to Vietnam at this time will add to the various commemorative activities being done by both the Philippines and Vietnam to celebrate this historical milestone. Moreover, the President's visit will also be an opportunity to solidify the strategic partnership between the two countries. In speaking with the Vietnam leadership, the President and his counterparts will be able to set the direction and specific activities to be pursued in line with the vision of the joint statement on the establishment of a strategic partnership between the Republic of the Philippines and the Socialist Republic of Vietnam, which was signed in Manila in November 2015. Initial meeting between the President and Vietnam Prime Minister Nguyen Xuan Phuc was held at the sidelines of the ASEAN Summit and related summits on September 6 to 8, 2016 in Vientiane, Laos.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.